first right click, then go to new, then text document, then you want to right click on that and edit it. Then you want to copy all of this, and once you copied all of it, go to file, save as, then you type in anything you want. I'll just say www.vbs, and it has to be .vbs. And then you go to all files, and you go to save. Then you can just exit out of that, and then once you get that, you just double click it, and it'll start spamming the heck out of your caps lock button. And once you want that to go away, you go over here, you right click on that, you delete it, okay, you delete it, and then you restart your computer. But before I restart it, it has to have that S logo for it to work. Alright, so then you just restart your computer.